Planogram Builder Tutorial 9. Batch importing items in the database. In the previous tutorials, you learned how to add items one by one using the database editor. We will now see how to import multiple items from a spreadsheet for much faster integration of your products. Batch importing lets you add new items and update existing item properties in the database. Open the Excel file you created in Tutorial 8 where you exported your database. The first line shows the headers corresponding to all the available item properties. The following lines contain the listing of items in your database, each line with one item and its property values. This Excel sheet only contains the items we created in the previous tutorials as examples. Let's now create a new item based on an existing product. It will be a variation of the milk carton. Copy the line with the name, ZVisual UHT Milk 2.5% Carton 1L. Paste it as a new line. Under Reference, enter a unique value for the new item since we can't have multiple items with the same value for reference. Under Name, edit the value of the new product to ZVisual UHT Milk 1.5% Carton 1L. Obtain an image of your new product and place it in the same folder as this Excel spreadsheet or in a subfolder. The image we used is this one. In this case, we have placed the image file in a subfolder named New Images. Under Image 1, type or paste the exact file name and file extension of the product image. We won't change any other value because they are the same as the existing milk carton. Now create a new accessory based on the existing shelf unit header. Copy the line with the name, Bay Header Dairy. Paste it as a new line. Under Reference, enter a unique value for the new accessory. Under Name, edit the value of the new accessory to Bay Header Dairy 120 cm. Under Width, change the value to 120. This will be the width of our new accessory. In the column label type, take note that this item must have a value of accessory. Depending on the type of element, other possible values are product, bay component, room element and material. It's a good idea to also edit the name of the existing shelf unit header to differentiate it from the new one. Enter Bay Header Dairy 100 cm. The name of this existing accessory will be updated in the database upon import. Finally, we can optionally remove from this Excel sheet all items which do not need updating. This will avoid wasting time re-uploading these elements. Note that the items deleted from the spreadsheet will not be deleted from the database upon batch import. Save the Excel file with a new name, so you retain the original full database export as a backup. Open Planogram Builder and access the database. As with exporting, there are two options for importing. Import List imports the items without images. This is useful if you just need to update properties of items without changing their images. Import List plus Images imports the items and all images referenced in the spreadsheet. Use this command for new items or to update pictures of existing items. Click on Import List plus Images and select the Excel file you just saved. Import the file and wait for completion. A message is displayed with the number of new and updated items. In the product list, you can see that your database contains our new milk carton. The new bay header is shown in the accessory list. The name of the existing bay header has also been updated. You can now drag the new items from the catalogs of products and accessories onto shelf units. Please consult the links under the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now finished.